Hello, and this is Donna from Thread Treasures Embroidery. Today I am going to show you how to actually take one of the designs that you've digitized and use a good mock-up picture behind it. So one of the first things that we want to do is turn off the hoop, the grid, the rulers, and go to the background here and do custom article, and you're gonna browse. I've got a mock-up here, and I'm just using it for this purpose. So next, let's see, I will select both because this is a two-color design. I will select this and I'll move it around here to get it where I want. So like if you were using monograms or something like that, you could do this, get it centered, and then what I do is I hit my print screen button, and then I will go and open paint, and I will paste this in here. So you can just say paste, because the print screen makes a copy of it for you. And then I go in here and paint, and I will crop this down. So now I have an image, a mock-up image that I can use to show this design on something. So just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to do that. So we will talk to you later. Oh, let me do this again, because the print screen, because I don't want anything selected when I do this. So print screen, come back and open paint again, paste it in. Now you see, you don't see the little lines from where it's selected around there. So go in again, gonna select it and crop it. And there you go. That's an easy way to make a mock-up. So I hope this helps you, and we will talk to you later. Bye.